Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And I have some tools. My OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. And that is a tool I'm about to make for a video. A little piece of acetate stuck to a skewer, no big deal. And this is some Mead and White paint that I think I super thinned. And I'm going to use for puddle right after I spread some of it to the edges, hoping that it'll be as good a coverage as the black. The black is awesome. So I'm going to use unconventional for me methods and maybe smear some paint, add another puddle to the center. It looks like there's so much more paint there than I'm used to. So I'm just going to take my time and try and spread it around evenly, and then I'm going to just undo everything. Okay, so I love the way my color shifting turquoise looks. I love my Arteza electric blue. I want to use some copper, as unusual as that might seem. And I have some of my own turquoise. And what else? I want one more color. I want one more turquoise, actually. I think the peacock is another turquoise, very much like the others. Oh, can I even do this without purple? I guess I can't. Okay, so there goes nothing. I'm going to take my pie cutter and spread some paint. I wonder, yes I could try and spread it around. Let's go down that way. Since this might be the last painting of my day, I can make a mess. Really tempted to add some more color. I can whoa, not what I had in mind, but that's okay, whatever. Let's do that copper and a strange color combination. We'll see how this works. And grab, let's wipe off my tool. I think one more area and I'll be done. I'm being called to green, which is really weird, but that's okay. I'm going to wipe off my tool on the edge of my canvas. Fortunately, it's not house paint, so it can be heavy without cracking, especially since I put GAC 800 by Golden in all of my paint mixtures. So, maybe a little less. Oh, and it comes out just in that dollop at the very last second and messes with my brain. I happen to be a big fan of, well, that green gold, and I know that emerald green was not shaken up. Do I want a little purple in there? I'm going to be good, aren't I? Maybe I'm not. I want all of the paint off of that spreader, and to spread it, wipe it off again. Take some more black. put it right on the edge. Throw some tendrils in there. I used to put tendrils on everything years ago. There, that's just sweet and easy. By playing with the schmear. And I like it. I really want to use my little tool. When I first made it, it didn't drag in the paint, and now for some reason I don't have a light enough touch. But this is a great tool for touching up the edge of my canvas where I want some more paint. Just going to fill in with my finger. Is there anything else I need in there? I'm really tempted to add a little gold and see what happens. Because it seems to me I should have enough paint. Cross your fingers. Well, that kind of worked. I like that. Still a little paint. What else do I want to do? Ha! I'm here. Might as well play, right? Wipe the tool off. So I cover that with paint, with the cell activator, which is, the recipe is below my video. When you open Show More, just makes me want to keep playing. I pull the eye out of that dinosaur. Don't ask me why. Just in a mood to take a risk. Yeah, it definitely takes a delicate touch. Throw a little black in there. I probably could have tilted a lot more before. I like throwing that little black, that black and that black. They go together really well. So I think I'm done. I'm going to have to touch up my edges a little bit. But I'm not unhappy with this. I can modify the design a little bit if I want to, or not. It's pretty cool. It's very bloomy. Throw my tools in the bucket. Time to torch. Definitely different colors. Love the schmear technique. Thank you, Gail Burston. Check out what she does. Torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint and maybe enhance some patterns, which is pretty cool. I want to add like some dark orange element. I'm being called. dark orange or dark pink. This is so close to plugged up. Alright, so there's my orange. And there's my pink. And I kind of want some blue. Which probably won't stay anyway, because it's the Venetian blue. And the only thing left is a little bit of that green, I think. This is bugging me. I just noticed. So I think that's going to become purple. Now I am fini, I believe. I think so. I'm not certain. I'm so glad I don't use house paint. I know a lot of you do. And I used to use it as a base coat, but the Meeden is so much better. Alright, so one more torching and I'm done, and there's over 93,000 subscribers. If you're a new subscriber, please be welcomed. If you like what I do, or you want to support my efforts, please give me a thumbs up. If you're interested in helping financially support the studio to produce more videos, more video tutorials, there is a way through PayPal or Patreon, and you'll be automatically entered in the monthly drawing, and you can see the prizes offered to whoever's name is drawn at the first of the month. The end screen video is an exhibition video that changes every month. I am going to have to cover that edge down there. Oh wow. You weren't here the whole time. That really stinks. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Okay, that was a wasted video. It's bound to go to Paint Adventures. Priscilla Batzell. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. This looks a whole lot better in person than it does through the monitor right now. The lighting in my room is getting strange. Stranger and stranger as the summer season comes on. Late spring. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Make sure on Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell, you notice that there are 19 lists of 100 videos. If you are interested in more videos or you have a question, feel free to contact me through comments, or visit Expressionist Studio Priscilla Batzell channel. I have an Amazon link, and if you are interested in shopping on Amazon and you want to shop from my link, it's know what it costs you, and it helps me support the studio. And I have 2 books there, and you can find the Amazon link, my Amazon link, on the link tree below the video. Underneath Show More, you can find my email address. If you are interested in purchasing an artwork, let me know. And I'm sorry about wasting your time for this. Probably you're not even listening anymore, because I wouldn't have. All right, bye for now. Priscilla out. Love you guys.